Channel JK Mathematics Classes. Today I will discuss class 10 math chapter 7 introduction to coordinate geometry. So the distance of a point from the y-axis is called its x coordinate or abscissa. In figure, distance of a point A from y-axis is x, so its x coordinate x. Again, the distance of a point from x-axis is called its y coordinate or ordinate. In figure, the distance of a point B from x-axis is y, so its y coordinate is y. The coordinates of a point on the x-axis are of the form x, 0. That means if a point lies on x-axis, then its y coordinate 0. So here A lies on x-axis, so its coordinate will be x, 0. Again, end of a point on the y-axis are of the form 0, y. So here in figure, B lies on y-axis, so its x coordinate 0 and its coordinate will be 0, 2 axis divides a plan into 4 quadrants. So here first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So first quadrant, positive x-axis and positive y-axis, so its coordinate will be plus x and plus y. Again in second quadrant, so here negative x-axis and positive y-axis, so its coordinate minus x, plus y. Again in third quadrant, both axes negative, so here minus x and minus y. Again next fourth quadrant, negative x-axis and positive x-axis and negative y-axis, so its coordinate will be plus x and minus y. Again distance between 2 points, that means distance formula, 2 points A, x1, y1 and B coordinate x2, y2, so is AB equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So distance between 2 points, so it is called distance formula. Test for checking geometrical figures. So 1 number, no sides equal, it is called scalene triangle. A triangle in which no sides equal is called scalene triangle. Again, if any 2 sides of a triangle is equal, so it is called isosceles triangle. Again, a triangle having 3 sides equal is called equilateral triangle. Again, next 4 number, sum of squares of 2 sides equal to squares of third side. So it is a Pythagoras theorem. So if sum of squares of 2 sides is equal to squares of third side, then it is a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, we use the Pythagoras theorem. So leg 1 square plus leg 2 square. So sum of the squares of 2 sides is equal to third side, that means hypotenuse opposite to right angle. Well, all sides and diagonals are equal is called a square. So here in a square ABCD, so AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD, and diagonals are also equal, so AC equal to BD. Again, 6 number, all sides are equal and diagonals unequal. Diagonals unequal is called a rhombus. So in figure ABCD is a rhombus. Here AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. Again diagonals are not equal. So to check the geometrical figure, again we use the distance formula to find a side, length of the side. So 7 number, opposite sides are equal and diagonals are also equal is called a rectangle. In rectangle ABCD, here AB equal to CD, that means opposite sides are equal, AB equal to CD and BC equal to AD, and diagonals also equal is AC equal to BD. Again 8 number, opposite sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. It is called parallelogram. In parallelogram ABCD, so here AB equal to CD and BC equal to AD and diagonals not equal. Again next, section formula, internal division. In coordinate axis, so x-axis and y-axis, so suppose A and B is a line segment joining between 2 points A and B divided by a point P. So section formula means a point, coordinate of a point which divides a line segment joining between 2 points. So here a point P x comma y divides the join of A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 internally in the ratio m1 is to m2. So P divides AB internally in the ratio m1 is to m2. So section formula is the coordinates of a point which divides the line segment joining between 2 points. So then coordinates of the point P are x comma y equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, that means part, sum of part, comma m1 y coordinate is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So here AP is to BP equals to m1 is to m2. Again next, midpoint theorem. Midpoint means a point divides a line segment into equal parts. That means P divides AB internally in the ratio 1 is to 1. So here AP is to PB equals to 1 is to 1. So if PX comma Y is the midpoint of line segment AB whose coordinates, so here A coordinate x1 comma y1 and B coordinate x2 comma y2. So here x coordinate is sum of x coordinate, that means x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Again y coordinate is sum of y coordinate divided by 2. Midpoint means a point divides line segment into 2 equal parts. Today class is finished.